Hey guys, Corey Ballard, Ballard Products. We've got our aux lock here. This is the alarm, all stainless steel trailer lock. I want to walk you through a few of the features and how to use this thing. Definitely read your instructions. I'm not really good at that, but definitely read the instructions. I think it's pretty simple. We've got the adjustment on the back here, so whether you're going over your latch or under your latch, remember this is going to work on all your trailers with the 2-inch or 2 5/16" ball. It's going to prevent a lot of theft. Yeah, a guy can maybe cut through this. We've hit it with a sledgehammer, but while the alarm's going off, most low-level thieves, once that alarm goes off, are going to take off. They're just thieves of opportunity, so they're going to take trailers that are easy to get to. This should hopefully prevent them from getting your trailer for a little over $100. You can keep your trailer safe wherever you're parking it, whether it's a mowing trailer, it could be a fishing rig, camper, RV, race trailer, you name it. This thing's going to be a great option for your trailers. So it comes with 3 different keys. Also guys, so keep these safe, but also it has a key tag here, so if you would ever lose your keys, make sure you keep this tag. This number on here will allow you to get a replacement key. If you lose these keys and don't have this tag, you might have to buy a new lock. So again, all stainless steel. Remember also, this is adjustable here, so you adjust this a little bit to make sure you're tight on your trailer, whether you're going over your latch or under your latch. To get the battery in, a little bit confusing. There's a Phillips head right inside here. You pull that Phillips screw out. That'll allow this bottom panel to come off. The battery's covered up with a rubber protectant, so it's waterproof, so pop that protector off, get your battery in there. It's a CR2 battery, which can be found at any convenience store or any big box store. To get that cover off, this fits pretty tight because it's water sealed, so what I use is a small screwdriver or even just a little Allen. I just kind of pop it through, push this loose here, put the battery in, put it back together. Should get a year out of that battery life as well. So just going to show you a few things here. Put this together, I got the key in it. So once you get it adjusted at your height, guys, you got the key in it. You turn this key, let me get it at the right height here, or get it locked in a position. It beeped twice. When you turn it all the way, you pull your key out, you should hear a loud beep. Okay, so now it's set. Once that loud beep comes, you got a few seconds, it's activated. If anybody messes with this here, you hear the beep again, and here comes the siren. So that's going to go off. You get your key back in there, turn the key, you can shut it off. So if you have any questions on the aux lock, if you're looking for a great way to keep your trailer safe, secure, again, prevent those low-level thieves from being able to grab your trailer and take off. These trailers are expensive. It's hard to get gear, so whether you, again, race trailer, mowing trailer, whatever you're looking to secure, check the aux lock out at ballard-inc.com. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.